there is a small update that I got from my first teacher when I joined a digital marketing industry. This is a Piyush Jain, and I have attended this workshop, and I have taken this his course, digital marketing course, and he is my first teacher. His name is Piyush Jain, and he is staying in Patna. His office is Patna, and he is giving me a recognition on his animation course or his website. The recognition is here. It's feel good. It's feel well. It's feel amazing that he is giving me recognition on his website. And this is my YouTube channel, Indranath. And when I attended the 2D animation virtual or online workshop, after that I wrote few sentences about this workshop, and now he is giving recognition on his company website. Thank you, Piyush, for giving me this great opportunity.